So guys, it's your girl Karen and I'm out here in the rain looking content as usual. Guys, the Landway community has been marooned from the rest of the community, guys. So stay tuned.
Even now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop.
Guys, this is the bridge that joins the Landway community and the Mount Sinai community together. Over there is Landway, and back over here, going down further down the road, is the Mount Sinai community where I am living in. And right now, the Landway community, or the residents of the Landway community, are marooned because it's a river running right there, so they cannot cross. And I'm gonna show you where the alternate route that they make for the river. I mean, for because they're working on the bridge, they make an alternate route, and that route that also is being flooded. So guys, this is what it looks like. You know, long they've been working on this bridge, and this is how far it reached, and they still haven't reached any further. I'm not going to reach any further any soon. So guys, I'll show you when the makeshift road, the alternate route, guys. Yes guys, this is the alternate route that they make after they dismantle the bridge. The alternate route from Mount Sinai to Landway. And look guys, this is a river running through the bridge. Guys, a car is chancing it coming across. Guys, another car is coming across. Yes guys, I wouldn't chance it though guys. I wouldn't chance it and go across. Guys, so over there is the Landway residents. They are coming across.
Who teaches this video?
Me? Karen, reporting live for Karen Yard Star. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified whenever time I post a video. Thank you for watching.